Time check 2 p.m. Pero this is hard. What the hell? I don't need to fully view it. Wow, look at that. Mango shake, mango halo-halo. Oh, I want that. I want this. Kunin ba natin guys? I'll get this na. Try natin. Puro mango sila. Mango chocolate chips. Mango Minnie Mouse. What the hell? Mango kimchi. Ito yung bibili natin. Mango halo-halo. Ito, mango din. Mango saltfish. What the hell? Ito name nila eh. Meron din silang outside. So, ang init. What the hell? So, dito tayo sa loob. Kasi malamig dito eh. Oh my gosh. Tignan lang tayo muna. Joke lang, haluin pa natin. Oh my gosh. Matatapon siya. Relax, Mitch.
Relax.
This is so good. May mga real mango siya. Oh my god. This is so perfect. Ang lalaki ba na ice cream? 150 lang? Oh my gosh. It's sweet, yes. So much mango in my life. You know I love mango ah. Try this, highly recommend. Kaso, hirap pa ito puntahan eh. Wala magbanda na gym dito. Iwan search siya Google Maps. And malapit siya sa Shopwise, Makati. Ang chill pa dito, ang ganda ng ambience. Pwede kang magpahinga dito. Habang buhay.
But what the hell?
What the hell? Perfect. 100 million %. I also got this. 130 lang to. Huh? I love this. What the hell? Hindi naman siya sobrang soft, pero it's okay. Hindi naman sobrang sweet, pero sweet eh. Hindi naman sobrang cute, pero cute ako eh.